Hi guys, I'm Smith and this is a tutorial how to print and assemble my Lotus-like ring box with a universal ring holder and changeable pedestal. For 0.4mm nozzle, a layer height is 0.2, line width is 0.4, wall line count is 3. Z seam position is on far right corner of your build plate. 3 top layers, 2 bottom layers. 20% infill density. Printing speed depends on your 3D printer model and its capabilities, but I think in any case you can use 60mm per second for infill and 40 for walls. If you can print faster without any issues, just do so. You don't need any supports to print this model. Some parts have excess film at the bottom that have to be removed by scissors after 3D printing. A stationary ring has 6 cutouts. Align any of 3 handle pins with any cutout, insert this pin, then snap the other 2. Snap a pedestal into an inner lift. Insert all inner petals into slots of an outer lift, then put this part on a flat surface and make sure that all petals touch this surface. Then insert the inner lift into the outer one. Then put this build into the cutouts of the stationary ring and trying to push both parts simultaneously, turn the handle clockwise until it clicks 2 times and then counterclockwise to close petals. It's okay if they aren't perfectly aligned in the end position. Each outer petal has 2 conical recesses, but only the right one has a special cutout to make snapping easier. Install the other petals and your ring box is done. After a few opening cycles, it will work more smoothly. That's it guys, good luck with the project, bye!